Imagine logging in remotely to a telescope in space so you can take astrophotography. In this month's ScopeTrader magazine, we interviewed 2 founders trying to make that happen. That plus a healthy dose of astronomy gear news and stories are in our July 2025 issue, available now.
Inside the issue, we put the spotlight on gear that balances budget and performance. First up, the GSO F4 6-inch Newtonian, a wide-field imaging scope priced under $400. For those craving portable perfection, the new William Optics UltraCat. 76 Petzval refractor delivers zero field distortion, razor-sharp stars and vivid colour, all without needing a separate field flattener. It's a perfect companion for imaging on the go this travel season. We're also excited to introduce our newest section, the Starfront Image Expo. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase stunning astrophotos taken from Starfront remote observatories in Rockford, Texas, under Bortle 1 skies. These breathtaking images reveal what's possible with the right gear in dark skies. For high-end dreamers, we take a close look at the Astrophysics 110 GTX APO triplet, a 110 mm f6 refractor that blends premium optics with true grab-and-go portability. Meanwhile, the Stellamira 86 mm ED quadruplet arrives with a built-in flattener and robust design, offering premium imaging performance for serious astrophotographers. Tracking gets a deep dive this month with our comprehensive guide to choosing between guide scopes and off-axis guiding, along with a look at the real costs of astrophotography. A reminder that capturing cosmic beauty isn't cheap, but it's worth every penny. In the tech section, we explore how adding luminance layers sharpens deep sky images, and how sub-arc second guiding is now within reach thanks to the ZWO 2600mm Duo camera, plus the Pi Finder 2. 2.1 update restores the popular Comets menu and squashes key equipment bugs. We also test the Amic 17X harmonic drive EQ mount, delivering backlash-free tracking in a compact design, and dive into Celestron's Origin EQ mode and auto-guiding, unlocking longer exposures and smoother tracking. Accessory fans will find plenty to explore, from the new Antlia dual band filters for isolating SII and OE relines, to the AppStar wireless controller for Meade mounts, offering modern, cable-free telescope control. We also cover the ZWO EAF Pro wireless focuser, R-Sky protective telescope covers, and the AceCom flat panel buddy for precise software-controlled calibration frames. Please subscribe to ScopeTrader.com today and check out the full issue in the link below.